Question number 6. Find the area of rhombus whose side is 5 cm, whose altitude is 4.8 cm. If one of the diagonal is 8 cm long, find the length of the other diagonal. Here a rhombus one side and its altitude. Altitude means vertex to this 4.8 centimeter altitude and one diagonal. What is one diagonal? Is 8 centimeter. Means this one side and altitude are given. We can find out the area of rhombus. Which formula? Then area of rhombus is equal to base multiply altitude. Here what is base? Base means one side. Base is equal to 5 centimeter. Then altitude is equal to 4.8 centimeter. So area of rhombus is equal to base. What is base? 5 centimeter. 5 into 4.8 is equal to how many? 5 8s are 40. Then 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 4 24. Here look, what is 24 centimeter square. Then here area of rhombus is equal to base into, here which formula we use? Base into altitude. Base into altitude is here 24 centimeter, means we find out the area of the rhombus. Or other diagonals are given. How to find out the area of rhombus? Here area of rhombus is equal to half into, we can write product of diagonals, means d1 into d2. Here look, one diagonal, then we can write d1 diagonal, length of diagonal. Is equal to 8 centimeter. Here one diagonal is given. What is diagonal? 8 centimeter length. So find out the length of other diagonal. Then the area of rhombus, diagonal is given. We can find out, use this formula, half into d1 into d2. Here one diagonal is given. So find out the other diagonal. How to find out? Here we can write area of diagonal means half into d1. d1 means d1 place we can write length of diagonal 8 centimeter into d2 is equal to what is here we find out base into altitude area of rhombus. Base and altitude are given. We can find out the area of the rhombus. Then here 24 centimeter square. Then find out d2. Here look, this is 4 centimeter. 4 d2 is equal to 24. So d2 means is equal to 24 by 4 is equal to 6 centimeter. So length of other diagonal is equal to 6 centimeter. One length of one diagonal is equal to how many? 8 centimeter. So other diagonal we find out 6 centimeter. Is it clear? The next question. Question number 7. Read. If the floor of a building consists of 3000 tiles which are rhombus shaped. This tile shape is rhombus shaped and each of its diagonal are 45 centimeter and 30 centimeter in length. Find the total cost of polishing the floor if the cost per meter square is 4 rupees. Here a floor consists how many tiles? 3000 tiles. And this tiles diagonals length are given 45 centimeter and 30 centimeter length. Then find the cost of total cost of polishing the floor if the cost per meter square 4 rupees. Then find out the cost of polishing. Then first we find out area of the tiles. Then what is area of the tiles? If we find out the area of the tiles, we can find out area of the floor. Then first find out question number 7. Area of tile. One tile area is equal to which shape? Rhombus shape. So which formula we can use? Half into D1 into D2. Here D1. What is D1? 45 centimeter and D2 30 centimeter. So we can half into 45 into 30. Right? This is 50. Look, 45 into 50. 5, 4, 5, 7, 675. Here we can write 675 centimeter square. So, area of tile 675 centimeter. One tile is 675 centimeter. Then what is area of the floor? Area of the floor. Here area of the floor means we know this floor consists how many tiles? 3000 tiles. So this is one tiles, area of one tiles multiply 3000, we get area of the floor. It's clear? Means this area of the floor consists 3000 tiles. So one tiles area we find out that is 675 centimeter square. So area we can find out the area of the floor means 3000 into 675 is equal to, look, 3 into 5, 3 5s are 50, carry 1, 3 7s are 21, 21 plus 2, 1, 22, carry 2, 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 2. Then how many 0? Then this look 20,25,000 centimeter square. So this centimeter square we can convert into meter square. Then is equal to centimeter. Centimeter convert into meter divided by 100. So centimeter square divided by how many 100? 200. Then is equal to 100 into 100, 10,000. So 10,000 has how many 0? 4 0. So this number divided by 10,000. So 4 digits before decimal. So 1, 2, 3, 4 digits before decimal. So total what is 200 to decimal 5 meter square. So what is the question here? Then cost of polishing the floor, cost of polishing the floor for 1 meter square is equal to rupees 4 rupees. So 1 meter square 4 rupees. So total how many meter square? 202.5 meter square. So find out the total cost of polishing the floor for 202.5 meter square is equal to 4 multiply 202.5 is equal to 4 5s are 20, carry 2. 4 2s are 80, 8 plus 2 10, carry 1. 4 0 0 0 plus 1 1. 4 2s are 8. Then how many digits decimal? 10. So what is how many rupees total cost? Total cost 810 rupees is equal to rupees 810.